Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up an NTP network time protocol server on an AlmaLinux step by step. Now, why should you care about this? Well, time synchronization is super important for system administrators. It keeps your logs accurate, helps your servers coordinate perfectly, and makes sure services like databases and clusters run smoothly without any hiccups. Now, let's dive right in and get your servers synced up. First things first, we need to install the NTP package. Most Linux distributions use either Chrony or NTPD for time synchronization. In this demo, I'll be using Chrony because it's modern, fast, and super efficient. Let's install it. Now that it's installed, let's configure it. Edit the etc/chrony.conf. Okay. Now add allowed directive followed by the IP address of your client 192.168.102.201. That is the IP address of my NTP client, and add a local stratum 10. Save it. All right. The local stratum 10 directive tells your network that this server should act as a valid time source when no external NTP servers are available. Once we have saved it, let's enable Chrony. Just check if it is started. Yes, started 4 seconds ago. Check if it is enabled. Yes, it's enabled. Let's make sure everything's working properly. So let's run this command, Chrony C tracking. Okay, the status looks normal. Everything looks normal. And to make sure other machines can reach your NTP server, allow it through the firewall. The command is firewall cmd add service. Let's add the NTP service. Make it permanent so that it's boot resistant. Reload it. Let's confirm it by running firewall cmd list services. Okay, NTP services allowed through firewall. Looks like our configuration part is done on the NTP server. Okay, now let's test it on our client. Let's first install Chrony if it is not yet installed. Yes, let's install it. Now let's edit the Chrony configuration file at chrony.conf. As you can see here, this is the default NTP server. Okay, I will use server NTP server followed by iburst. Make sure to save it. Okay, the iburst option speeds up the initial synchronization by sending a quick burst of requests to the NTP server. You can replace the NTP server with the IP address of your NTP server, or alternatively, you can use the fully qualified domain of the NTP server. Okay, let's save it. Let me see. Yes, server NTP server iburst. Now let's restart the from the service. Okay, let's see Chrony C sources -p and check. Looks good. As we can see here, the NTP server's name, the DNS name or the IP address, if it appears and if there's a star in front of it, that means the client is officially logging onto the NTP server for time. That star is your confirmation badge. Now, let's dig a little deeper and verify the sync details. Run Chrony C tracking. Look for reference ID, NTP server. If you remember, I have opted for grab at C. Okay, as you can see here, this NTP server, if this value and the reference ID are the same, it means that your NTP server is set up correctly. That's solid proof that your client is definitely using your NTP server as its time source. And that's it. You have just set up your own NTP server on Linux. This simple but essential task will keep your systems running smoothly and synchronized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.